Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be fixing the squeaking supercharger belt. So I'm gonna actually replace the belt even though this one looks good. Let me show you what's happening. Okay guys, so I just loosened the belt. If you could see, there's a tensioner pulley right there. There you go, should be able to see it. The very bottom one. So what you want to do is have someone access that from under the car and turn that nut clockwise, and that's going to release the tension on the belt. And then another person working here from the top can slide the belt of the pulley here. So some of the pulleys, like the supercharger pulley, have the edges like this one. You won't be really able to slide the belt off of that or the pulley on the bottom, but there is a pulley here that doesn't have the edges, so you can just easily slide the belt. Once you release the tension on the belt with the pulley down there, the tensioner, then you can slide the belt off of this one, the silver looking one, and that releases the tension, and then you can take it out from the other one. So here's my new belt, and this is obviously belt for the APR stage 2, so both pulley, supercharger pulley and the crank pulley were changed. So this one is a different length than the original Audi one. So that was the supercharger belt replacement. As always, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.